往那个左边，往你右边走。
是吧？
那边再左边往右。
你刚开实际没有？
那白往我们眼。
啊？
光调整，手里白往我们眼的。
是。
对。
那我跟你说，昨天你看你那个谁，你子月说啊，都给你收了。
走嘞，给你去车间采访嘞。
车间采访。
我在这整这个直播嘞。
胖不胖？少开点没有？你看。对，调角度，调角度就要瘦点。你看你都挺美的。对，你往前点。应该是不是放到
那个指甲
啊，放这。
你给他放好多，你没吃到直播类的吗？让你这个还是直播，然后那个手机上面。你记得我拍这个。
Hello， 开始了吗？
开始了。
左眼这个带入个这个镜头看不中。你看我就是胖。
能看着不？它是这个是白往旁边看的。这个是颜色。
这个灯能不能点稍高点？
开着。开着。看。来，你试试，我这个白色试试。我给你弄这个吧。娘，喂姐，你这个我姐，你在哪儿的？街头还在这个。
在隔壁的。
西桥。
放豆。
拿
来吧。
你这个还能啥？
有弄着吧，没事。
还有这个。
有。明儿你那个灯啊能高不？
直播间有人连那个车间的直播还得采访。
那我灯啊能高。
能高？一点低。
对，我现在低的。我想用这个高点。
你来吧，你已经过来，你就到了啊。
这个。
看看，能亮吗？不是你的本儿哎。
啊，这个本儿那么高。
这是手机电吗？太大了，在那儿一个分数，上面有出来能知道哪是个3米，然后就当它们大了，下面那个比较复杂，因为成分比较重嘛。
开始了吧？
已经就是开始了，你都说啥呀？
Hello, my friends. Welcome to Sinopulse. Our factory has exporting 28 years old. Welcome to visit our factory. We are mainly hydraulic hoses, industrial hoses, and fittings and machines. And you know, hydraulic hoses we have R1, R2, 4SH, 4ST. R14, R16, R15. Hello, my friends. Welcome to Sinopulse. Sinopulse has exporting 28 years old, and you can see this is our hydraulic hoses, 2SN, and you can see I was bending these hoses and very flexible and very power, and you can see the hoses brand Sinopulse, and we can also OEM your brand and make your logo. Welcome to Sinopulse. And we can design your logo on the hoses and print it your logo on the hoses also. And if you have some orders, and you can inquire me. Hello everyone, welcome to Sinopulse. Sinopulse has approaching 28 years old, and you can see this hoses is a 1SN, and a bedding like this is very flexible and very power. And you can see this is our brand, Sinopulse. Welcome to our factory and visit our workshop. And you can see the hoses, other hoses, and you can see 2SN and 12.5 mm SA100R2. Working pressure is 27.6 MPa. Hello friends. Sinopulse has approaching 28 years old, and we are mainly produce hydraulic hoses.哦，行。可以再说中文，说再说英文是吧？对。哦，行。Hello friends， 欢迎来到邯郸市斯诺普胶管有限公司。Welcome to Sinopulse factory and welcome to visit our factory。然后这是我们的橡胶软管 2SN， and this is the hoses 2SN, and you can see the hose very flexible and powerful. And 你可以看我们的产品非常的柔软性非常好，并且非常的 powerful. And our factory mainly produce hydraulic hoses, industrial hoses, fittings, and machines. We can supply one surface. If you need hydraulic hoses, industrial hoses, and you can contact me. And you can see these hose samples. This is spiral hoses, Sinopulse brand EN 8564SH 1 inch。朋友们，你们可以看一下，这是我们斯诺普胶管有限公司生产的4层缠绕橡胶软管 EN 8564SH 1 inch。And you can see the hose bending is very flexible and powerful. If you need the hoses, and you can contact me, and also can visit our factory and workshop. And you can see these samples, Sinopulse brand, 2SN and ½ inch. The hoses is very flexible and very powerful. Maybe you can see the hoses from the outside is the same, but we need to look inside. The inner rubber and the steel wire is different. We use the steel wire brand top 1 and top 2 in China, and the steel wire tensile is very high, and the steel wire is decided the working pressure, and you can see. And our factory can also produce assembly hoses. And you can see the hose, both and with fittings. Hello friends, welcome to Sinopulse. Hello friends, welcome to Sinopulse. Sinopulse has expression 28 years old, and our main produce is hydraulic hoses, industrial hoses, and fittings. And you can see our factory can also make assembly hoses. We can make or produce according your requirement. If you need hydraulic hoses or industrial hoses or fittings or equipping machines, you can also contact us, and our college will contact you and give you an offer. And you can see on the hose, this brand, Sinopulse, is our logo and brand. And we can also make your logo on the hoses. We can design your logo and print it on the hoses. Okay, friends, if you need the hoses and the fittings or the assembly hoses, you can also contact us. Our factory is an old hydraulic hoses factory. We have exporting 28 years old. And in our factory, we can produce hydraulic hoses such as R1, R2, 4SH, 4SP, R18, R14, and so on. And the industrial hoses, we can also produce water hoses, water suction hoses, oil hose, air and water hose. And the hoses we can produce wrapped surface. And you can see this hose is wrapped surface. And we can also produce the smooth surface. We can produce according to your requirement. So in our factory, you can get special services. And the hydraulic hoses, if the quality is good, and you can know the hoses is very, very long life, and the working pressure is very high and very flexible. And you can see this is the spiral hose, 4SH, 1 inch. And you can see this is the 4 steel wire braided. You can see maybe you look the same from the outer surface, but we must focus on the inside, the inner rubber thickness, and the steel wire, and the braided speed. Because in our factory, we use the German machines, braided machines, and the braided speed is very, very high. So we can ensure the quality, and we can ensure the working pressure. And you can see the thickness is very, very equal. And you can see I can show you. You can see this is 4SH, and the hose is bending. And you can see very power. And you can see the hoses Can you see? Okay. And maybe some friends maybe need the ferrous because my customers is Africa, and they use the ferro. You know the ferrous. Ferrous have non-skive ferro and skive ferrous, and you can see the ferrous we have 03310 models, and we also have 00400, and different ferrous use different hoses. For example, 03310 used for R1 and R2 and non-skive. If you need the skive ferro and such as used for R1, and you can use this ferro. I can show you on the catalog. And you can see in the catalog, you can see 0011 is used for R1 hydraulic hoses, and 00210 is for use R2. And you know, this ferro, the teeth is not so sharp. So maybe you need skive if you want the sharp teeth for use R2, and you can use 03310. And this ferro's teeth is sharp and non-skive. And if you use for the 4SH hose, and you can use 00400, and this model ferrous used for steel wear, such as 4SP, 4SH, and for R15. Okay, the ferrous, all the models we have. Okay, my friends, which models you need, and you can contact me, and my college will add you and contact you and give you an offer. And we can supply the competitive price and high quality control. So you know, Sinopulse, maybe you heard Sinopulse brand in your market because our factory has exported 28 years old, and in all over the world, each market we have a stronger college, client, customers. Maybe our agent, distributors. So you can contact us, and we will add you and send you a catalog, and you can check what produce you want. You know, if you want to change the supplier in China and want a high quality control and a good price, and you can contact us because our factory can supply you everything and a special service. So friends, contact us, and we will give you a good price. And if you contact us and add us, and you can get a chance. And you can see we can also have different models fittings and ferrules and flange. And you can see these fittings, flange will also help. If you need the flange straight or 45 degrees or 19 or 90 degrees, we can also supply you. Okay, my friends, now maybe you want to see our mainly products and hydraulic hoses. Hydraulic hoses we sell very well, and the quality is very good, and the market give us a good feedback. So friends, hydraulic hoses which you need are one steel wire, or two steel wire. We can also supply and produce, and we have a good quality control and a good price. So friends, you want a good price and good quality control, so you can trust us, Sinopulse factory, Sinopulse brand. It's a good choice for you. And if you need assembly hoses, and you can also contact us, and we can supply you a good and special services. And you can see these samples, and you can see from the hoses printed Sinopulse brand, and this is 2SN, and this size is ½ inch, and you can see from the inside the inner rubber and the steel wire braided. We use the Germany braided machines, high speed braided, and we can control the working pressure. And also we sell good products is spiral hoses, and you can see the spiral hoses is Sinopulse brand, and for SH 1 inch working pressure is 38.1 MPa, and this is our marshal numbers. And you can see maybe you can ask, the hoses, what are your special surface? And you can see the bending, the powerful, and you can see the touch, comfortable, and you can see here inside 4 steel wire braided, and the inner rubber, the thickness, and is very equal, and the steel wire braided, you can see very tidy, and you can see the outside rubber, the thickness, and the inner rubber is very smooth. And for SH spiral hoses, we can use for heavy machines. If the hoses, the quality is good, and you can see the impulse testing is very high. And for these horses, our impulse testing is more than 500,000 times cycles. And the use life is very long. And you can see. Okay, friends, if you need the hydraulic hoses, you can contact me. And my college will contact you and add your WhatsApp number, and we will send you the e-catalog. And if you need samples, we can also give you the samples for free. And we can give you an offer and a good price. So friends, where from? You can type the message. Okay, some friends may be from Middle East, India, and Europe. So anyway, no matter where are you from, and you can also contact us. Sinopulse is available factories for you. And we need a start. We need a chance. So friends, you can add us. Hello friends, welcome to Sinopulse. Sinopulse has exporting 28 years old. Our factory mass produce hydraulic hoses, industrial hoses, fittings, and crimping machines, and hydraulic hoses for such as R1, R2, and spiral hoses for SH, for SP, R12, R9, R15. We can also have the list and the catalog we can send you. So friends, you can type your WhatsApp number, and my college will contact you, will add you and send you e-catalog. Okay, friends. You need hydraulic hoses or industrial hoses, such as air or water hose, 20 bar, 10 bar, or 16 bar. We can also produce. And if you need the water suction and discharge hose, oil hose, chemical hose, food hose, or EPDM steam hose, we can also produce. Okay, friends, welcome to Sinopulse. And if you can come to China, and welcome to visit our workshop and factory. And my boss is wait for you in our factories. And we can introduce you how to control the hoses quality. And we will show you everything. Every produce step very, very clear. So friends, welcome to Sinopulse. And this is our catalog. Friends, if you need the catalog, e-catalog, if you need, and you can add us, you can type your WhatsApp number, and my college will add you and contact you and send you the catalog for you. and we can give you an offer, a good price, and we can also give you a samples of friends. Where are from? Welcome to Sinopulse. So friends, before, if you heard the Sinopulse brand, our brand is a very, very old brand factory in China. And Sinopulse is a lead factory in China. Because my boss focus on quality control. Our boss focus on the hoses develop. So our factory become more and more bigger and stronger because we have the high quality control. We focus on ourselves. We must have a good quality control first, so we can win the market. So friends, if you want a good price and good quality control, and you can type your WhatsApp number, and we can add you, and we can produce a catalog and an offer. So friends, and friends, this is our catalog. And if you need jet version hoses, we can also produce one steel wire and two steel wire braided hoses. We can also, and in our factory, we can support you the maid repair your according to your requirement, and we can produce according your ID and OD. And you can see when this is one braided steel wire, and you can see the OD and the working pressure list, and the burst pressure, and this is the bending and the weight. And hydraulic hoses, we must use the good braided machines. In our factory, we use Germany braided machine. So we can ensure the quality and the high working pressure. So friends, what samples you need? Rubbed surface or smooth surface? Hello friends, you need rubbed surface or smooth surface hoses. And in our factory, we have certifications such as ASO, CE, MASHA, SGS, and so on. And if you need hydraulic hoses, industrial hoses, fittings, clipping machines, we can also produce for you. And because Sinopulse, is old factories in China and has exporting 28 years old. So we can produce according to your requirement. And if you want to change a good supplier in China, and if now your horses have quality problems, you want to change a new supplier in China, and maybe you can try Sinopulse and start from us. And Sinopulse has a good quality control, and Sinopulse is a good supplier in China with you. So friends, welcome to Sinopulse, and welcome to visit our workshop, and my boss is wait for you. And our factory has produced hydraulic hoses, industrial hoses, fittings, and crimping machines. So friends, what you need? You need hydraulic hoses and industrial hoses and fittings and crimping machines. We can also supply for you. So friends, where I'm from and what products you need? Hydraulic hoses, industrial hoses, or crimping machines, or fittings. So friends, you can contact us and tap your WhatsApp number, and my colleague will add you and contact you. And we will send you a catalog and give you an offer. And we can also send the samples for you and for free. So friends, you need hydraulic hoses R1, R2. And we can also send you a catalog and send you samples for you for free. So friends, welcome to Sinopulse. And Sinopulse can give you an offer, a good price, a good quality. So friends, if you want to a good and available supplier factories in China, and you can contact us, and we can give you an offer and give you a good price and a good quality. So friends, welcome to Sinopulse. Sinopulse has exporting 28 years old, and we mainly produce hydraulic hoses, industrial hoses, crimping machines, and fittings. So friends, where I am from, we can also supply your everything. And if you have the plan to visit our factory and plan to China, and welcome to visit our factory, and my boss is wait for you on our factories, and we can show you everything, our laboratory, and we can show you the quality control at the workshop, at the warehouse, and the assembly houses. So friends, where are from? If you have plans to visit China, and welcome to visit our factory, and we can show you everything very, very clear. Because in our factory, my boss says we must focus on the quality. The quality is the first, so we can win the market. So, friends, if you have the quality problems now, and you want to search for new factories in China, and we can supply you the good quality and good price. So if you have time and you want to plan to visit our workshop, and my boss is wait for you on our factory, and we can supply you a good quality. And if you have time to visit our factory, and we can show you everything very, very clear. How to, in our factory, how to control the quality, and how to produce. And my warehouse, we can supply you very, very clear. Because in our factory, my boss focus on the quality. He says the quality is the first, and we can win the market. So the quality is the first we must focus on. So friends, welcome to Sinopulse. And Sinopulse has 20 years old, and we produce hydraulic hoses, industrial hoses, and clipping machines, and fittings. If you want to get an offer, and please type the WhatsApp number, and my colleague will add you, and will send you the catalog. So friends, welcome to Sinopulse. And our factory has expertise 28 years old. So we focus on the quality control. So if you want a good quality, a good price supplier in China, and you can contact us. And my colleague will add your WhatsApp number and give you a catalog and give you an offer very, very quickly. So friends, welcome to Sinopulse. Sinopulse is a very, very old factory in China. And our factory is the lead factory in China. And we can supply you everything in China, and we can give you a good quality control and give you a good price. So friends, you can type your WhatsApp number, and my colleague will add you and contact you and send you the catalog and give you an offer. And we can also send you the samples for free. So friends, please contact us and please add us. And we can show you everything very, very clear. So if you need hydraulic hoses, and you need the industrial hoses, or the clipping machines, or the fittings, you can also contact us. We can give you a good supplier. So friends, welcome to Sinopulse. Sinopulse is an old factory in China, and our factory has an old history. So if you need hydraulic hoses and industrial hoses and clipping machines and the fittings, please contact us. Please add us, and please type your WhatsApp number, and we can add you, and we can send you a catalog. And you can see in my hand, this is a hydraulic hoses, and you can see the bending, and you can see very, very flexible. So friends, if you want to visit our factories and visit the workshop, please contact us and please add us, and my colleague will send you an offer and give you the catalog, and we can show you everything very, very clear. You know, the hydraulic hoses, maybe you see from the outside is the same, but inside is the different. We must focus on the inside. The steel wire and the inner rubber. You know, Sinopulse uses top 1 and top 2 brand steel wire braided. So we can ensure the working pressure. And the inner rubber and the outside rubber, every step we control the quality. So if my boss lead us focus on the quality control, so Sinopulse can go very, very long, and we can win the market in the future. So maybe in all over the world, many brand Sinopulse, many brand hydraulic hoses brand or factories. But how to choose a very good factory and available factories? We must focus on the quality control and how to the factory to produce and how to control and everything. So if you want to plan to China and visit our factory, and my boss will wait it for you in our factory, and we can show you everything very clear. So friends, welcome to Sinopulse, and Sinopulse has at present 28 years old. So, hello friends, what you need? Hydraulic hoses, R1, R2, 4SH, 4SP, or industrial hoses, such as water or air hoses, oil hose, and chemical hose, or food hose. And you can also contact us. We can give you a good price and a good quality control. So friends, welcome to Sinopulse. And you can see in my hands, this is the assembly hoses, and different lines and different fittings both ends. So we can according your requirement to produce everything. So friends, welcome to Sinopulse. Sinopulse can produce a very good quality control. So between us, we need a chance. Maybe first you can give us a travel order, and you can test our produce, our goods, our hoses quality, and you can see the hoses. This is a rubbed surfaces, and we also have the smooth surfaces. And we can, according to your requirement, and produce different colors. Maybe some customers need black and red and yellow and blue. We can also produce for you. And some customers, maybe they use the cleaning hose, and some customers want to blue colors. We can also make, and it sells very well in UK. So friends, what produce you need, and you can contact me, and we can give you an offer for you. And you can see this is the smooth surface, and we can also have the different sizes from 1/4 to, for example, hydraulic hoses 1/4 inch to 2 inch. We can also produce, and maybe some customers need R2, maybe 3 inch, 4 inch. We can also make. So please contact us, and friends, please have your WhatsApp number, and my colleague will contact you. We can add your WhatsApp, and we can send you the e-catalog, and we can give you an offer, and we can also send you the samples for you. Okay. And you can see R1, R2, 4SH, you know, is the normal products sales very well. And some customers maybe in Europe and America and Africa, Middle East and Asia. We also have some agents and distributors in the market. So we are very confident in our hoses because we have exporting 28 years old, and we have a good feedback for the market, for our customers. So, so friends, if your supplier now have the problems on the quality, and now you want to change new factories, suppliers in China, and you can contact us, and we can supply you everything. We can show you the laboratory and how to control the quality, and the steel wire tensile, and the inner rubber tensile, and the outside tensile, and vulcanizations, and so on. We can show you everything very clear. So friends, if you have the plans to visit China, and welcome to visit our factory Sinopulse, and we can show you everything. And you can also see our workshop, how to produce the hoses one step by one step, and how to read it. And also in our workshop, we use Germany braided machines, so have the high speed braided, so we can ensure the quality control, and how to packaging, and we can also packaging according to your requirements, different packaging you can choose. So friends, welcome to Sinopulse, and visit our workshop and laboratory, and my boss is wait for you in our factory, and we can show you everything very clear, and you can know Sinopulse, why Sinopulse can win the good market, and why the Sinopulse can win the customers in all over the world, and why the Sinopulse can win the market and have a good feedback in the market. And in our factory, why Sinopulse can go so long roads, and how Sinopulse can exporting 28 years old, and how the Sinopulse can become better and better. So quality and the good service maybe is the reason. So maybe it's a good factories can do good. It have the reason, the good quality, the good price, the good service, and we have a good relationship. Yes. So friends, welcome to Sinopulse. We can show you hydraulic hoses, how to hydraulic hoses produce, and how to industrial hoses produce, and how to fittings and crimping machines produce, and so on. We can show you one step by one step, and show you very clear. So friends, welcome to Sinopulse. Sinopulse can show you everything very clear. So friends, if you want to get an offer and samples and offer, and you can tap your WhatsApp number, and my colleague will add you and contact you, and we will give you an offer, and give you a very quick offer, and we can give you the samples for you and for free. So friends, welcome to Sinopulse. Sinopulse can show you everything very clear. If you need hydraulic hoses, different sizes, we can produce for you. And if you need industrial hoses also, and we can also produce for you. Now in our factory, we have 5 factories, and we can show you everything. So please contact us and we can show you everything very, very clear. So friends, please add us and please contact us and we will give you a good service. Maybe between us, we just need a choice. So friends, please contact us and please add my WhatsApp number, and you can also type your WhatsApp number and we can send you very quickly an offer and we will show you everything. If you don't have time, come to channel and we can also can make a video meetings to visit our workshop and warehouse and laboratories. We can also send you very, very clear and you can know about Sinopulse brand and Sinopulse why in China is very good brand, good factory, and how to Sinopulse win the market in all over the world. So friends, welcome to Sinopulse. Sinopulse can show you everything. And hydraulic hoses, industrial hoses, and clipping machines, and fittings, we can also produce for you. So Sinopulse has exporting 28 years old, and Sinopulse is a very old factories in China. And maybe Sinopulse in all over the world has many agent distributors and have a good feedback from the market, from the customers. So friends, please contact us and please add us and we can send you the catalog and we can also give you a good suppliers for you. So Sinopulse can become your very available and good suppliers in China because my boss is very focused on the quality control and have a good quality, and my boss is very responsible for every customers. So friends, please contact us and please add us and we can show you everything for you. So friends, welcome to Sinopulse and visit our workshop and you can see how to Sinopulse to control everything one step by one step. So please contact us and you can know how Sinopulse can win the market and how to Sinopulse can become a very strong factories in China. First, we must focus on the quality, and second, we can win the market, win the customers, and win the place. So friends, welcome to Sinopulse, and Sinopulse can produce many hydraulic hoses, industrial hoses, and clipping machines and fittings. So friends, where are from? And if you want to visit our factory and if you have plans to China and welcome to visit our factories, and my boss is waiting for you in our factories, and she can show you everything very clear, how to control the material and how to clear the laboratories and workshops, how to the hoses produce one step by one step. So friends, welcome to Sinopulse. We can supply you very good quality and very competitive price. So friends, welcome to Sinopulse. And you can see in my hands, this is hydraulic hoses. And rubbed surface, and this size is half inch. So friends, what size hydraulic hoses you need, and you can type, and my colleague will add you WhatsApp, and will give you an offer very quickly, and we can also send you the samples for you. So friends, you can type your WhatsApp number, and you can add us, and you can contact us, and my colleague will add you, and will give you an offer very quickly, and we can also can give you the samples for free. So friends, if you want to change a new supplier in China, and you want to hydraulic hoses, industrial hoses, fittings, and gripping machines, and you can contact us, and you can add us. So friends, welcome to Sinopulse。说上来业务来了不？
你
看不来嘞。Hello friends, welcome to Sinopulse, and you can see in my hands, this hose is spiral hoses, and this hose is for SH 1 inch, and the working pressure is 38 1 MPa, and maybe you can see the hoses from the outside is the same, but we must focus on inside, and you can see inside the inner rubber thickness and smooth and still well braided. You know, in Sinopulse, we use Germany braided machines. The speed is very high, and we can ensure the braided very tidy, and we can ensure the working pressure. So friends, please, if you have time, and you can visit our factories, and my boss will show you everything for you, and you can see this is very flexible and very power. And friends, if you need hydraulic hoses, R1, R2 for SH, and so on, and the industrial hoses, water suction hoses, air hose, water hose, 10 bar, 20 bar, and 16 bar, we can also produce for you. So friends, what products you need, and you can type your WhatsApp number, and my colleague will add you and contact you, and we can give you an offer very quickly, and we can show you the samples for free. And if you don't have time to visit our factory, and don't plan to China, and we can also make the meetings and take the videos for you, and you can see the workshop and the laboratories for videos. So Sinopulse, why Sinopulse can exporting 28 years old and have many customers in all over the world? Because Sinopulse focus on the quality. Sinopulse focus on the quality control, and we can win the market, and we can win the customers, and we can win the good feedback. So friends, welcome to Sinopulse, and I can introduce Sinopulse everything for you, and how to produce, and how to control, and how to control the material. And you know, in our factories, the material, the rubber material is produced by ourselves. So we can control from the first step, the rubber material, so we can ensure the quality. And we can produce different colors for you. Maybe some customers want red color, yellow color, and blue color, maybe gray color, and we can also produce for you. So in our factories, we can make everything for you. So friends, if you need the feathers, we can also produce. And the feathers, we have different models for R1, R2, and for SH, and for steel wire, 6 steel wire, and we can also produce. And you know, the feathers, the working pressure and the materials is very good. And you can see, if you need the hydraulic hoses for wrapped surface or smooth surface, we can also produce for you. Now you can see in my hand, this hoses samples is wrapped surface, and we can also produce smooth surface. And 你给我弄一个光明的油过来，你给我弄个光明油过来。Okay, and you can see the wrapped surface and the smooth surface we can also produce, and we can make according to customers, and we can make different colors, black colors, red colors, yellow colors, and gray colors, and what color you need, we can also make for you. And today, when customers ask me, Evie, if you can produce white color hydraulic hoses, I tell my customers, yes, we can do for you. We can make according customers' requirement. So this is our factory's special service. So friends, in our factories, we can focus on quality control, and we can also meet according to customers' requirement. So friends, you need hydraulic hoses and industrial hoses and fittings and crimping machines. You can type your WhatsApp number, and my colleague will contact you and add you and give you an offer and give you the samples for you. So friends, you can contact us, and friends, please contact us. And you know, Sinopulse has experienced 28 years old. And why Sinopulse can have a good market feedback, and why Sinopulse can win the market in over the world, why Sinopulse have so many customers and have a stronger cooperation. Please, friends, you can tell me why. Oh yes, why friends says Sinopulse good quality, good price, and good service. Yes, we can do this for you. So friends, if you have the quality problems supplier, and you want to search for a new supplier in China, a new factory, and you can contact us, and we can show you everything for you. And you can see our factory's laboratory, how to our engineer control from the materials, the rubber and the steel wire, and 没人来着，喝点水。
但是这个肚子给插的电台。
哦，行。
还有就是速走，是不是也是速走？如果这边活着没啥下。也下不行。
歇会儿。走吧。有点烫。真烫。现在几个水都没了。啊，没有了。哎。
你找你这边先放进去。
哦，行。
啊。
现在在那个学校。喂。找这个。钱呢？这边才能买。 你这儿的吧？要不的呀？要不人家这上班儿忙不紧。你之前哪儿？在车间那边打过工。结婚了吗？现在男的那岗位有废体的，有不废体的，看你想啥。喂。现在你看啊，有一个是夺宝岗位，夺宝岗位放着稍微沉点儿，废体的，挣的不低。然后呢，要不就是干那个车间那个看记忆的这个活儿。时间上都是从这儿的。你可以先来这儿看会儿，有3班倒的，有2班倒的，也有上半班。只要长了地就在这儿。只要长了地就都在这儿先看。
一个都可以做得到。那个就是你看英，其实他们一个是英语，一个是日语，他们都可以简单的坐在那儿。一个就是
我给你简单说一下啊，在那个听播那个和这个相对熟练一点，那个在场子播那个，场子播那个，正常的能流利播一些，中文流利，外播，主要是这个在展厅这个，因为现在来看的时候离特别近，比较容易看熟练的那个的话。但是在那个他在那个角度，有时候可能走到那儿会看一看什么东西，反正正常播那种中文播也没成。
行。
你能外文就是最好的。
啊，行。行。就是来，你先英语的来先。
人家两个是什么学？
他是英语，他是俄语。
俄语啊。那要不然就是一个人在这儿播俄语，一个人在那播英语。
可以，你在这儿播俄语吧。
这怎么？
你就坐在那儿，然后你去那儿英语播英语去。
不是，你们那是不是还有人没回来？
对，12点还是3点？
啊？没回来那个人拿着那个直播手机呢。
对。
那边就是等等，然后你们2个就坐这吧。行。英语反正俄语就是要互相串，来回串。
对，就像你俩就是那个，就像那种多语言那种，英语说完一遍内容，然后俄语再说一遍那种。然后你俩坐那，反正2个凳子。
我们其实就是有稿子这种。
稿子是不能读，
也不能说一直在这念。
对，你就是眼睛少一下。
等这种。
平
常的话，不是领导还没来的时候，2个人可以随意可以在那说说话，对吗？等领导来的时候，
来到那个这个开始，
不是把你那个最熟练的话、最流畅的话再来说。
对，
没有时间熟悉稿子，
不是现在，因为领导现在来
练
了。你们就现在就练手了，然后一看，
因为等一会儿
领导来了，
你就等一会儿领导来的话，可能是不会让你们一直盯着稿子念。
就不要盯着稿子念。
对。
反正就想起啥。
可以就是什么，把一段最熟练的话，现在都
一直在
对，可以背下来。
等他一来，你
等来的时候就把那个最熟练的话一直念就行。
行了，开始吧，让他们开始吧，正好练一练。这不是你们可以进用道具啊，这不有道具，有那个2层的，有4层的，还有总成，还有号头。开始吧。开始了，你们现在
看上就在上。
我一会儿就去那个。
对，一人一个麦吧。对，先一个人麦先练练。来。
现在没开始呢。
开始了啊，已经开始了。
你坐这个吧。哎，可是等会稍等一下。看到那个同学。
对，往后坐一点，先连小，不太连。老师。
你可以看看这个。
好的。
要不要给你们搬2个那种凳子，这样你看来得及。
这边。太明显了，看着点，2个就是需要在一个屏里面。
开始了。练读。你们那里太近了，往后一点，往后一点，往后一点。行，要看好了。再往上一点。这个热给翻转好，是不是？是热给我翻转过来，对。这个可以继续有了。那就39现在两分钟，我们刚放过来，我们39需求，是不是？你放过来39需求了？
讲来。
这边凹一个吗？好了，你们俩开始吧。
Здравствуйте, добрый день. Спасибо за ваше внимание. Я Гарриас, зовут Ашранга Sinopulse. Предприятие Sinopulse основано в 2001 году. На сегодня нам уже более 18 лет. Мы экспортируем гидравлические шланги, промышленные резиновые шланги и соединительные фитинги. Далее я по порядку расскажу об всей нашей продукции.
Welcome to our channel. Sinopulse is a trustworthy and reliable supplier for hundreds of companies. We have exported to USA, Russia, Italy, Egypt, Western Europe, South America, Middle East, and South Africa. More than 40 countries and regions have the good, trustworthy Sinopulse brand reputation.
Я покажу вкратце и детально опишу технические характеристики шлангов. Начнем с однослойного шланга. 有一层吗？这是2层的。
你需要几层呢
？1层的。
1层的，那你起个用个1层，也是这个。对，你再弄个有1层光面的，有1层雾面的，再弄个2层光面的。
哎，你到了？
到了2，还有2在刚下车。
没事，反正直播间没啥人。别着急，那你就在那手持直播。
啊，行。
行吧？没事，等领导再来了开始，你再睡会儿。不是，先睡个10分钟也。不用着急啊，没直播间现在没人了。
有人，
咱俩在这儿了。
8个人呢。
得让学习。
8个人，是不是都是咱的人？
对。
现在就是练手呢，一会儿领导一来脱稿儿，别紧张啊！一会儿来了就是看你的状态。
咱们看几个压接机架。
一会儿有压接机9个人。压接机架板。看上扣压机架板，你就说扣压机想要什么型号的，可以联系我们。 然后我们给你报价。你们是不是 creeping machines？ 问你不是英语吗？问。Hello friends, you want two creeping machines?
Yeah, do you want creeping machines? Which size do you want?
这个这个人要压阶几下，可以压就让他，这是能教，现在我在教。我觉得这个推动量特别2.9，然后你就说那个我的同事会加你的联系方式，然后给你报价。
My colleague will add you and send you the price list.
人家两个口语真好，专业的就是专业的。
没事，也可以继续念。
继续念吧，你们念吧，对，熟悉术语。开始吧，开始练练。
行。
Сначала я расскажу про гидравлические шланги. Гидравлические шланги производятся по разным стандартам. ESN, ASN, RE, R2, CSP, CSH, R12, R15, R13. Я покажу абзацы и детально опишу технические характеристики шлангов. Начнем с одностроенного шланга ESN. Он имеет один проволочный армирующий слой, индивидуальный дизайн маркировки, указано рабочее давление и ракет бренда. Возьмем образец гидравлического шланга ESN. На внешней поверхности шланговица маркировка Sinopulse ESN размер 5-8 дюйма и показатели рабочего давления. Это шланга ESN диаметром 1,4 дюйма с одним слоем стальной проволочной обрезки модели ESN, RE, ESC, R16, R17, R5 имеют одноголовую конструкцию с однослойным проволочным армированием. На внешней маркировке каждого шланга мы наносим бренд и все технические параметры.
We are confident on quality. We also have many certifications to match our customers' market, like ISO certification, Masha certification, CE certification, API certification, Ghost certification. Here show you the pictures. If you are interested in adding a new supplier, welcome to send your email to our service department. We will send you catalog and provide free samples for you to double check our quality. Let's continue to introduce our factory and products to you. First, we will introduce our factory profile, and you will know we have many modern machines to guarantee quality and production capacity. Second, we will introduce our hoses like R1, R2, 4SH, 4SP, and you will know that qualified products save you money and time. And last, we will show you some packaging, and you will see the final product.
Мы реализуем продукцию под собственным брендом Sinopulse. Также изготавливаем шланги с ракотипами такичков и предоставляем услугу индивидуального дизайна маркировка на штанге. Вот образец Sinopulse ES по стандартам SAE RE размера 5-16 дюйма. На нем указано рабочее давление этой модели ESN RE.
We Sinopulse Group specialize in hydraulic hose, hydraulic fittings, and industrial hoses. Our products are widely used for agriculture, irrigation, engineering, automotive, mining, petroleum industry, and so on. That's a really wide range of applications. Sinopulse owns its factory covering 2,000 square meters and daily capacity reached 1,000 meters. Our factory is located in Handan City, Hebei Province. It has a rubber mixing workshop, soft mandrel workshop, hard mandrel workshop, non-mandrel workshop, office building, and experiments infrastructure. It processes Germany and Italian machines on edge within producing line. Product batch-to-batch stability improved significantly, and we developed our own quality control system to ensure our performance. Over the last decade, we have exported millions of rubber hoses around the world. We are also at OEM and ODM service. If you have any questions, please send to our service department. Then they will reply to you timely. We have advanced production line of vibrated hydraulic hose, advanced production line of steel wire spiral high pressure hydraulic hose, advanced production line of textile reinforced hose. Just follow us and send inquiry to us. We are glad to help you.
Далее рассмотрим штанги с двумя слоями проволочной обрезки. Линейка RSN RR. Это образец RSN размером 1-2 дюйма. На нем видна маркировка Sinopulse RSN 1-2 показано рабочее давление, номер и сертификата Маша. Наш завод Sinopulse имеет собственный сертификат Маша. Мы можем нанести номер сертификата Маша прямо на внешнюю поверхность. Его можно проверить на официальном сайте ведомства. Это наш номер сертификата Маша. Маркировка на штангах может иметь разный дизайн и разный фон. Под брендом это штанг RSN с двумя слоями стальной проволочной обрезки. Модели RSN, RR, RSC, HC разных стандартов имеются двухслойное проволочное армирование. Это гидравлические штанги с двумя слоями обрезки модели RSN.
Our major products include hydraulic hose, high-pressure cleaning hose, air compressed hose, water rubber hose, oxygen hose, double welding hose, oil hose, suction hose, etc. Send hydraulic hose or industrial hose to our service department. You will get more details. With the mission to be world-leading hose and fitting manufacturer, Sinopulse has been committed to providing reliable hose and fittings around the world. With Sinopulse's reputation to offer more value for our clients. Since 2011, Sinopulse introduced the first production line. That small factory has grown into the top 5 hose and fitting manufacturers from China after 15 years development. Today, we dedicate ourselves to improve products quality, introduce advanced technology and processing technology from Germany and Italy, and adopting 6 I's production management system. Total work plan covers 20,000 square meters, 60 production lines, and 120 staffs, CNC machines, hose daily output up to 1,800 meters and 10 million fittings in stock, shipping the hose and fitting to more than 200 clients from 80 countries and areas.
Теперь покажу образец гидравлического шланга с спиральным армированием высокого давления модели CSH. По внешнему виду шланга легко определить его конструкцию. Армирование выполнено из 4 слоев спиральной стальной проволоки. Эта шланга Sinopulse CSH размер 1 дюйма. На нем указано рабочее давление и номер сертификата Маша. Модели CSH и CSP имеют одинаковую конструкцию с 4 слоями спиральной стальной проволочки. Гидравлический шланг CSH Sinopulse с указанием рабочего давления и сертификата Маша. Это образец шланг 25 6 слоями спиральной стальной проволочки. Модель 25 рассчитана на сверхвысокое рабочее давление. Размер образца 1,5 дюйма. Рабочее давление достигается 500 бар. Это короткий демонстрационный образец.
Our core competitions is material science and process control. First, we have premium rubber compounding, computer-controlled rubber mixture, strictly controlling the proportion and the composition of chemical raw materials, precise temperature and pressure regulation. Tolerance is only 0.02 gram. For every production batch of rubber sheet, our factory will test the rubber tensile, harness, and only after the rubber laboratory signature, the workers could get authorization to use it. That makes the hose rubber under control, and our hydraulic hose will be more durable and quality. Second is high-strength steel wire reinforcement. All steel wire undergoes laboratory tensile testing for strength and reliability verification prior to processing. We use several motor steel wire joint machine controlled by PLC. The steel wire length tolerance meets or exceeds ICE 100 standard, ensuring integrity for steel wire grading spiral process.
Теперь мы расскажу о упаковке. Малые диаметры – это полипропиленовая обработка. Линейка размеров шлангов ESN и RSN составляется от 1,4 до 2 дюймов. для маленького диаметра 1,4, 5,16, 3, 8, 5, 8, 3, 4, 1, 9. Мы используем мягкую обравку и полипропилена. Стандартная длина одной тухты 50 и 100 метров. Это стандартная упаковка. Для малых размеров клиенты могут выбрать любой вариант длины. Если клиент согласен на разброс длины бухты от 95 до 105 метров, цена на штанге будет немного ниже стандартной. Для крупных размеров 1,25, 1,50 и 2 дюйма используется резкая стальная обравка. Стандартная упаковка бухты по 20 или 40 метров. Мы рекомендуем выбрать бухты по 20 метров, так как бухта длинной 40 метров очень тяжелая, неудобна для транспортировки и погрузки. Это наша рекомендация для заказчиков.
Our precision manufacturing process. First, material foundation. Material dimensions are verified with 100% accuracy, forming the core identifier and ensuring strict adherence to industry standard hose sizing. The hydraulic hose identity card was born here. Every step, time, and person during entire production process are traceable. The second is extruding. We use PSL controlled cold feeding extruding machine to avoid changing the material properties, adding laser detectors to monitor to extruding diameter. Meanwhile, the cold water circulation system used to quickly cool down after extrusion to maintain the rubber shape. Third, braiding and spiraling reinforcement process. Adopting German Mayer technology, the third generation high-speed steel wire braiding machine or spiral machine can ensure the braiding angle keep 54.44. In addition, we quote the 46 degrees chiller fizzing. The inner tube features a stronger inner tube that resists deformation under the pressure of braiding and spiraling force. The fourth is controlled hose vulcanization. Holes are wrapped in fabric or plastic film and vulcanized in pressurized steam autoclaves at 150 for up to 4 hours. Continuous monitoring and intelligent adjustment for vulcanization, temperature, and duration ensure higher durable and adhesion of holes.
Теперь мы расскажу о лабораторные испытания. Первый контроль сырья перед производством. Перед запуском производства в собственной лаборатории мы тестируем резиновую смесь и стальную проволоку. Проверяем адгезию и твердость резины, а также качество проволоки. Все сырье проходит проверку перед началом изготовления шлангов. Второй контроль готовой продукции после производства. После изготовления каждый шланг проходит внешний осмотр на предмет дефектов. при обнаружении поврежденных участков мы обрезаем брак клиентам, поставляем только бездефектную продукцию. На этом закончим обзор гидравлических шлангов. Помимо стандартных гидравлических моделей мы производим R3, R6, R5. Большинство клиентов закупают крупные партии ESN, RSN, RR, RE, CSP, CSH. Поэтому эти модели я пишу кратко. Возьмем образцы R3, R6, R5. Это шланг R6 по стандарту EN Pulse размер 1-2 дюйма указан на рабочее давление. Многие закачки используют R3 и R6 как универсальные резиновые шланги. Один подходят не только для масел, но и для подачи воздуха и воды. Вот. R3, R6 их рабочее давление меньше, чем у обычных промышленных шлангов для воздуха, воды и масел. Стандартное давление обычных шлангов составляет 250 psi.
咱又看过来，又过来，就是我们管要，你看梦梦你说的是怎样的？你就。
比较陈可
荣，
什么人？
荣。
你跟他是一个人啊。
哦。
然后一会儿你们两个在这儿坐着。
行。
然后你是叫张梦然是吧？
对。
张梦然和那个郭旭一会儿要去样品间那儿。
哦。
你看，就像他们这两个人，就是俄语和英语呀，两个人就穿插着。他们现在是那个俄语跟着是学，你现在法语传，你法语那个可以上翻译的。对。再练练嘛，领导10几分钟就来了，然后那个一会儿领导还要1-20分钟就来了，然后他一来，他一推门，你们能看出来那架势那么多人，如果你们就要赶紧熟练的。巴拉巴拉巴拉就是那个是可以看一眼这个，也可以抬头，但不要一直盯着这个，尽量抖抖啊。
我等会儿。
然后精神抖擞一下，对。
我等会儿去，说是让我去那个样品间。
哦，那行。谁让你去样品间？你样品间就你一个。
还有郭旭。
样品间2个。不，样品间一个郭旭，一个他是吧？然后他是法语和英语在这儿。对。行，那你俩号赶紧，然后你得去那，你在这儿熟悉熟悉。然后那个，你赶紧熟悉。
不然你麦克。
没事吧？把麦放在这儿。行。然后你就开始吧，你俩就叽里呱啦就开始吧。然后领导一来，你们就要更那个啥啊。着急死了。好，开始吧，你其实正在直播着呢，练练吧。
那个谁在那儿？
马上到了，你们开始吧。
Bonjour à tous et à toutes. Bon après-midi, merci pour votre aimable attention. 这边。
多的时候你不用把我。
Je suis Clara de l'usine de tuyaux Sinopulse. Sinopulse a été fondée en 2001. Cela fait plus de 20 ans aujourd'hui. Nous exportons des tuyaux hydrauliques, des tuyaux en caoutchouc industriel, des tuyaux en PVC et des raccords. Je vais maintenant vous présenter nos produits en Bahrain.
Welcome to our channel. Sinopulse is a trustworthy and a reliable supplier for hundreds of companies. We have exported to USA, Russia, Egypt, Western Europe, South America, Middle East, and South Africa. More than 40 countries and regions have the good trustworthy Sinopulse brand reputation. We also have many certifications to match our customers' market, like ISO certification, Masha certification, CE certification, API certification, Ghost certification. Here show you yes, we are confident on quality. If you are interested in adding a new supplier, welcome to send your email to our service department. We will send you the catalog and provide free samples for you to double check our quality.
Commençons par les tuyaux hydrauliques. Nous proposons des tuyaux hydrauliques conformes à différentes normes. 1SN, 2SN, R1, R2, 4SP, 4SH, R12, R15, R13. Je vais choisir quelques échantillons pour vous montrer les spécifications et les détails. Première, le tuyau hydraulique 1SN. Vous pouvez voir le marquage sur le tuyau. Sinopulse 1SN avec la taille en part 4 de pouces, ainsi que la pression de service. Ce tuyau est renforcé par un tressage métallique simple. Les normes ASN, AR1, ASC, AR6, AR17 et AR5 partagent la même structure, un seul tressage en ACR. Nous inscrivons la marque et les spécifications directement sur le tuyau.
Let's continue to introduce our factory and products to you. First, we will introduce our factory profile, and you will know we have many modern machines and guaranteed quality and production capacity. Second, we will introduce our holes, like R1, R2, 4SH, 4SP. And you will know that our qualified products save your money and time.
两个人稍微往后坐一点，整体，然后两个人再挨一点，挨近一点。黑色衣服稍微再往后点，往后。
反正他现在是已经开了，他开了一个是吧？那边开了一个，开了一个。
就是你视频给我发，我就开了那一个。好，那就行。你看一下后台，看看有没有声音了。取消图片了，往上那个。
行。
太高，不用，我把这个升一升。
这，我让速度。你们说吧，你们不用管我。就是一会儿领导来了，记得一定不要看岗，也不要看领导。
哦，行。
两个人，你看啊，就是你们两个只要就在里面就行，不要露半个脸。
嗯。At last, we will show you some packaging and you will see the final product. Okay, we Sinopulse Group specialize in hydraulic hose and we will introduce our products like R1, R2, 4SH, 4SPs to you. If you are interested in our products, please add our colleagues and we will send you the price list.
Passons maintenant tuyau à double tressage, le 2SN R2. Voici un échantillon en A par 2 pouces. Vous pouvez lire Sinopulse 2SN ainsi que la pression de service et le numéro de ces certificats MSHA. Notre usine possède son propre certificat MSHA et nous pouvons faire figure ce numéro sur la marquage vérifiable sur le site officiel. Le marquage peut également être personnalisé avec différentes couleurs de fond. Ce duo est renforcé par deux couches de tressage métallique. Les normes 2SN, R2, 2SC et R17 ont toute cette structure à double tressage.
Okay, let's start first the partner. We Sinopulse Group specialize in hydraulic hose, hydraulic fittings, and industrial hoses. Our products are widely used for agriculture, irrigation, engineering, automotive, mining, petroleum industries, and so on. That's really a wide range of applications. Sinopulse owns its factory covering 200 square meters and daily capacity reaches 1,000 meters. Our factory is located in Handan City, Hebei Province. It has a rubber mixing workshop, form management workshop, part management workshop, and land management workshop, office building and experiments infrastructure.
Passons au tuyau hydraulique à spirale pour haute pression, le 4SH. La structure est visible en surface. Ce tuyau est renforcé par 4 couches de fils d'acier enroulés en spirale. Voici un échantillon en 3 par 4 de pouces. Avec la pression de service et le certificat MSHA. Les normes 4SH et 4SP sont toutes deux renforcées par 4 spirales d'acier.
Yeah, let me introduce the modern machines in the factory. We process Germany and Italian machines on batch within producing line. Product batch to batch stability improved significantly, and we developed our own quality control system to ensure our performance. Over the last decade, we have exported millions of rubber hoses around the world. We are also strong at OEM and ODM service. If you have any questions, please send to our service department. They will reply to you timely. We have advanced production line of wire-braided hydraulic hose, advanced production line of steel wire spiral high-pressure hydraulic hose, advanced production line of textile reinforced hose. Just follow us and send inquiry to us. We are glad to help you. Our major products include hydraulic hose, high-pressure cleaning hose, air compressed hose, water hose, oxygen hose, double bedding hose, oil hose, suction hose, etc. Send hydraulic hose or industrial hose to our service department. You will get more details.
Tuyau hydraulique à 6 couches, le R15. Ce tuyau est renforcé par 6 couches de fil d'axial en spirale. Il supporte une très haute pression. Et chacune fait 1,5 pouces et peut atteindre 500 bar de pression de service. Conditionnement, petite taille. Pour cette taille, nous utilisons un maintien de train souple en PP. La longueur standard par rouleau est de 100 mètres ou 15 mètres. Nous acceptons également des longueurs non standards entre 95 et 105 mètres à un prix légèrement réduit.
With the mission to be world's leading hose and fitting manufacturer, Sinopulse has been committed to providing reliable hose and fittings around the world. With Sinopulse's reputation to offer more value for our clients. Since 2011, Sinopulse introduced the first production line. The small factory has grown into the top 5 hose and fitting manufacturers from China after 15 years development. Today, we dedicate ourselves to improve products quality, introducing advanced technology and processing technology from Germany and Italy, and adopting 6S production management system. Total work plan covers 1,200 square meters, 60 production lines, and 120 SAS CNC machines. Hose daily output up to 1,800 meters and 10 million fittings in stock, shipping the hose and fittings to more than 200 clients from 80 countries and areas. Our core competitions is material science and process control. First, our premium rubber compounding. Computer control rubber mixture, strictly controlling the proportion and composition of chemical raw materials. Precise temperature and pressure regulation. Tolerance is only 0.02 gram.
Grande taille, 1,5 pouces, 1,25 pouces, 2 pouces. Nous utilisons un matrin rigide en acier, les rouleaux font 40 ou 20 mètres. Nous recommandons 20 mètres, car un rouleau de 40 mètres est très lourd et difficile à manutentionner. Contrôle qualité et test en laboratoire. Avant production, nous testons les matières premières. Adhésion du caoutchouc, dureté, résistance des fils d'acier. Après production, nous inspectons chaque tuyau pour éliminer tout défaut. Si un défaut est détecté, Nous coupons la partie défectueuse et ne livrons que des tronçons parfaits.
For every production batch of rubber sheet, our factory will test the rubber tensile, hardness, and vulcanization. Only after the rubber laboratory signature, the workers could get authorization to use it. That makes the whole rubber under control, and our hydraulic hose will be more durable and quality. Second is our high-strength steel wire reinforcement. Our steel wire undergoes rigorous laboratory tensile testing for strength and reliability verification prior to processing. We use several motor steel wire joint machine controlled by PLC. The steel wire length tolerance meets or exceeds SAE 100 standard, ensuring integrity for steel wire braiding spiral process. Our precision manufacturing process. First is our manual foundation. Measured dimensions are verified with 100% accuracy, forming the core identifier and ensuring strict adherence to industry standard hose sizing. The hydraulic hose identity card was born here. Every step, time, and person during the entire production process are traceable.
Baisse pression R3, R6, R5, nous produisons également ces modèles, bien que les volumes les plus importants concernent les 1 SN, 2 SN, R2, R1, 4 SP et 4 SH. Voici un échantillon R6, norme E, N, J, 5, 4, à 1 par 2 pouces. Certains clients utilisent les R3 et R6 comme tuyaux polyvalents pour l'air, l'eau ou l'huile, avec une pression de service d'environ 250 PSI. Le R5, sa particularité, une couche extérieure en fibre tressée. Certains clients extraient une version en température jusqu'à 150 contre 100 pour la version standard. Ce modèle bleu offre également une pression de service plus élevée.
We use PSL control code, feeding extruding machine, avoid changing the material properties, adding laser detectors to monitor the extruding diameter. Meanwhile, the cold water circulation system used to quickly cool down after extrusion to maintain the robust shape. Third is braiding and spiraling reinforcement process. Adopting German layer technology, the third generation high-speed steel wire braiding machine or spiral machine can ensure the braiding angle keeps 54.44. In addition, we quote the 46 degrees chiller freezing the inner tube. Features a stronger inner tube that resists deformation under the pressure of braiding and spiraling force. Fourth is our controlled hose vulcanization. Hoses are wrapped in fabric or plastic foam and vulcanized in pressured steam autoclaves at 150 for up to 4 hours. Continuous monitoring and intelligent adjustment of vulcanization temperature and duration ensure higher durable and adhesion of hose.
Tuyau R14 Teflon PTFE. Lame est en nylon ou en PTFE avec un tressage extérieur en acier inoxydable. Nous proposons deux versions, intérieure lisse ou ondulées. L'épaisseur de parfois peut être adaptée. Par exemple, pour un point de 5 pouces, nous pouvons faire 1 millimètre ou 0,5 mm selon la demande, avec un prix ajusté. Raccords hydrauliques, nous fournissons des raccords et des férules pour tuyaux tressés ou spiralés. Filetage disponible. Métrique PSP, NBT, GIC avec raccord male, femelle, droite à 40 et 5 ou 70, 90 kits. Nous proposons des raccords en 2 pièces ou d'un seul bloc.
Fifth, hose testing and finishing. After vulcanization, the hydraulic hoses flow into the packaging workshop, where the manual are removed. The computerized pressure testing system to test each hose 100% at 2 times of working pressure and maintain the pressure for 50 seconds. The QC uses the online ERP system to check the entire production process. Laboratory tests the burst pressure, impulse testing, aberration resistance, ozone resistance, high temperature resistance, low temperature resistance, flame resistance. Only hoses qualified will be packed and stored. The eighth, cutting and packaging. The length of packaging of our hoses are controlled by PLC to ensure accuracy and strictness. Plastic film, wooden boxes, pallets, and other packaging are available to ensure that you receive satisfactory products. We care your value and keep offering you the consecutive good quality, reasonable lowest price, professional service, time delivery, 2-year guarantee, and 100% after sale. Our exceptional quality and continuous improvement, worth your trustworthy.
Exemple de raccord JIC mâle en acier ou carbone, zingué blanc, taille de 1 par 4 à 2 pouces. Voici une férule pour tuyau 1 SN et 2 SN, taille 1,25 pouces, et une bride à 90 degrés disponible en 3 niveaux de pression. 35, 65 et 90 PSI. Nous acceptons l'OEM longueur plus longue, épaisseur renforcée jusqu'à 45 mm pour une meilleure section dans le tuyau. Assemblage de tuyaux hydrauliques. Nous disposons de machines à sertir. Nous pouvons réaliser des assemblages sur mesure en sertissant les fécules et les raccords sur le tuyau. Tuyau industriel en caoutchouc, petite taille, 1 par 4 à 1 pouce. Nous proposons 2 finitions, mise ou aspect, toile, pression de service, 20 par région d'éclatement, 60 par, soit 3 fois la région de service. Conditionnement 100 mètres par boulot. Type tuyau pour air, eau, huile, tuyau jumelé pour soudure, essence, oxygène.
And for hydraulic hoses, we also supply the fittings. And the fittings with different thread like metric BSP thread, NPT, JIC, and the female fitting and male fitting, straight 45, 90, and flange, and the barrels. We could supply the fittings for the braided hose, and we also could supply the fittings for the spiral hose. And the same for the ferrules. Hydraulic fittings, we could supply the separate fittings and the ferrules. We also could supply only one piece of fittings. And now I choose one fitting. This is JIC. JIC is male fitting. And these fittings produced with the carbon steel, with the wise zinc, completely with different sizes from size. This one is small.
Tuyau jumelé pour soudure. Taille la plus courante. 1 par 4 de pouce, très populaire aux États-Unis. Nous les vendons avec des raccords en laiton, un boulot de 40, 50, 70 et 5 ou 100 pieds. Couleur disponible. Vert, rouge ou bleu rouge. Ah, c'est fini. Au revoir.
Goodbye.